Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the topic of same-day loans. Sometimes, we get into financial crises where we need immediate financial help, but we don't get the amount we need from any sources. In those times, same-day loans come to the rescue. These loans are approved in a single day and the loan disbursement is also done on the same day, which can be a lifesaver for many individuals. So today, we are going to talk about what these loans are and the best 5 same-day loans. To get to the official website, follow the links in the description below. So stay tuned till the end of the video. What is a same-day loan? Same-day loan lenders are types of lenders that can help you get your desired loan amount that can get you out of your financial crisis in one day. This means the verification process and approval of your loan all get done in one day quickly and easily. Also, the application process in those lending platforms doesn't take more time and some even offer a 1-minute application process where you simply need to upload your documents and answer a few questions to get your loan amount. Top 5 best same-day loan lenders. Now we know what a same-day loan is, its complete end-to-end dynamics and who it is best for. But what is the best lending platform to take these same-day loans with low interest rates and faster approval rates? To ease you from research, we have handpicked the top 5 lending platforms that can help you get the same-day loan with a minimal application process. Here they are. Jungle Finance. First on our list, we have Jungle Finance, one of the internet's well-known lending platforms. Jungle Finance is one of those platforms that help borrowers in their financial crises and help them get the right financial loan. Jungle Finance accepts all kinds of credit profiles. No matter if you have a low credit score or a high credit score, you can apply for a loan at Jungle Finance. At Jungle Finance, you can get up to $5,000 of up to 48 months loan term. Also, the interest rates can range between 5.99% to
35.99%.
Heart Paydays. Second on our list is the Heart Paydays lending platform. This lending platform specializes in giving loans without any credit checks. They are also known for their user-friendly application process and transparent installment terms. To offer loans to borrowers, they consider factors other than credit scores, such as the borrower's income. At Heart Paydays, you can get loans ranging from $100 to $5,000, with loan terms of up to 12 months. They also offer an average interest rate between 5.99% to
35.99%.
Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans offers secure loans for borrowers. At Big Buck Loans, you can get quick approvals even with low credit scores. They provide loan amounts ranging between $100 to $5,000 with same-day access to funds. This includes $3,500 loans without hidden fees or in-person visits. The loan term at Big Buck Loans can go up to 24 months and the interest rates range between 5.99% to
35.99%.
However, to qualify for the loan amount at Big Buck Loans, you need to be employed for at least 90 days, have a monthly income of $1,000, and possess a valid bank account. The application process at Big Buck Loans is simple and quick. Credit Clock. Credit Clock focuses on offering personalized financial services for lenders that align with their current needs and requirements. Their simple application process and competitive interest rates make it easy to get quick access to funds of up to $5,000 without any hidden fees and with a 12-month payment period. You can safely apply at Credit Clock with no troubles in a simple, easy manner. However, the interest rates can be changed according to the lenders, so make sure to check those. Low Credit Finance. Finally, on our list is the Low Credit Finance, one of the industry's popular lending platforms. Low Credit Finance is known for its fast, no credit check loans, with loan amounts going up to $50,000. Low Credit Finance focuses on giving out loans with secure transactions and flexible terms, making it easy to get loans faster and easier quickly. At Low Credit Finance, you can get a loan amount of up to $50,000 with a loan term of up to 48 months and interest rates ranging between 5.99% to
35.99%.
Also, at Low Credit Finance, you can get a quick lender response in a couple of minutes, making your application procedure easier and faster. How to apply for the best same-day loan. Now we know what the best same-day loan lenders are. Let's look into how we can apply on these platforms easily and quickly. First, you need to calculate what amount you need to get out of your current financial crisis. Now, collect all the required documents you have, such as your income certificate, your nationality certificate, and get them ready to submit to the lender. The most important step is to select the right lending platform that can align with your needs and requirements. Make sure to select the one that can give you the loan amount you need with low interest rates and also has a quick application process. Now, go to the lending platform you selected, select the loan amount, and fill out the application form. You will be connected with a potential lender to discuss the loan terms and accept the loan agreement provided by the lender. That's it, you're done. After the above steps, the only thing you need to do is wait for the loan disbursement into your bank account. Conclusion. So that's it. If you are also one of those individuals who are looking for an immediate cash need, then you definitely need to check out the same-day loan options. Use one of the loan lending platforms that we have mentioned above. They have a quick and easy application process and also an easy withdrawal process that can get you out of your financial crises. To get to the official website, follow the links in the description below. That's it for today. See you in the next one.